30 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. This severe thunderstorm will be near Arwood Heights, Rosemont, Norridge, Schiller Park, and Logan Square around 3:30 p.m. Partridge and Niles around 3:40 p.m. Chicago and Skokie around 3:45 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include River Grove, Elmwood Park, Broadview, Lincolnwood, and Berkeley, including the following interstates. Interstate 94 between mile markers 41 and 46. Interstate 290 between mile markers 17 and 22. Interstate 294 between mile markers 41 and 46. This is a dangerous situation with hurricane-like wind speeds expected. High-profile vehicles are especially susceptible to winds of this magnitude and may be overturned. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This storm has the potential to cause serious injury and significant property damage. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 o'clock p.m. for northeastern Illinois.